name is Augustine Makati from Sierra Leone, West Africa. I'm the founder and executive director of Movement Towards Educational Youth Empowerment. Well, this organization works in promoting the welfare of children as well as youth. We do peace building in schools and community. We also do entrepreneurship training for youth empowerment for vulnerable youth, and we also help in providing education for less privileged children. Internet search, I came across WACSI program, the Civil Society Leadership Institute, and since by then I was opportune to apply for the program, and I see it as a reason for me to apply based on the skills I saw in the program. Yeah, the training was an intensive training. It was a 2-week training in May 2017. The training took us through a lot of leadership training focusing on transformational leadership, productive skills, theory of change, and so many other leadership courses, modules. And I really learned a lot, and when I returned back, I was able to put some of these leadership skills since I was having so many gaps within my leadership, within my organization. So I was able to use some of these skills in transforming my leadership skills regarding how to lead my organization, to change, how to mobilize team members, how to keep my team to be more effective in the work we do. When I left the university in 2017, because of the job constraints in Sierra Leone for us to attain job back from university, I decided for me to go into civil society and a self-employed initiative. By doing so, I developed a passion for civil society, for me to create a small community-based organization that will grow up into a reputable organization, at least to help to provide changes and response to some of the humanitarian crises our community members are facing in our various communities. With that, I was able to talk to some of my colleagues in university by then, and they were really able to buy my idea. Then we have to come together. We created the organization by the name of Movement Towards Educational Youth Empowerment. But since by then I came back from the university just with the theoretical aspect, so I was having limited skill. I was not having the practical experience for me to go about the organization. So by then I was having so many issues like in controlling the team, mobilizing team, at least putting ideas together for us to really implement our programs. We are having a good documentation, we are able to put something good, but for us to put those strategies into effect was like a challenge. Yeah, well, I learned something on transformational leadership, human resource management, then I learned something on productive skills. So these were one of the core areas really that really helped me. So when I returned back, since I was having challenge in the leadership, then in managing my team, bringing them together for us to effect change. So I was able to use some of these leadership skills I learned for me to be more productive. By then doing so, I was able now to put my teams together, for us to hold meeting, provide better strategies towards our programs. We are not able to provide actions for our strategies in as much as we are not able to do that. So now I mean to understand that now we are able to produce good results and more impact in our communities. After the CSLI, when I came back, the most unique part of the CSLI, they placed me with a mentor in my country who have a great experience about what I'm doing. By the name of David Yambasu. He is the executive director for Caritas. So when I was placed with him, so he gave me the opportunity for me to be open up to explain myself, to really know what really I'm doing. So through that, he was really able to know some of my lapses also. So he was able to really put me through to really structure my documentation of the organization, really able to see how best. He gave me the idea for me to structure my team members, my management system regarding how we should be very more effective. And when I read through the mentorship with him also, it made to understand that really I have learned a lot about the theoretical aspect. I need some practical experience. So he later on gave me a 6-month contract within his organization, in which he sent me to Matrujon to work as a child protection officer, since he made to understand that I was having more passion in children, child rights issues. So there also I went and learned a lot of practical techniques and skills in child welfare issues, child rights issues. So when I came back now, I was able to use some of these strategies to implement them within my program, and I meant to understand that by so doing, we are now able to increase the number of our children we are helping. We are able to create more impact in their lives. Like currently now, we are helping to provide educational support for 15 children in Moyamba district. They are able to extend our child rights, child protection issues to schools here in Kakwa Chiefdom. Like we have peace club in schools, like we have 2 peace clubs in schools currently, where we train them our peace building, leadership and peace education process.